In today's adventure, we continue our exploration of hidden secrets of the Maglev train network. This global network was created decades ago and operates 1 mile beneath the Earth's surface, with trains reaching speeds of twice the speed of sound. As I mentioned earlier, I have been tasked with a group of other journalists with the opportunity to participate in the soft disclosure of the worldwide network of hypersonic maglev trains. Today's destination is Connecticut, and then a short hop to the enigmatic Plum Island Animal Disease Center, a place shrouded in mystery and conspiracy theories. How curious it is to find a direct maglev link to such a place. It certainly adds fuel to the fire of speculation. Plum Island's history dates back to the 1700s. The island was privately owned until 1897, when the government purchased it for a mere $25,000. The island's story takes an interesting turn in the 1950s. It was during the Cold War era that the island was designated as a site for the Plum Island Animal Disease Center under the direction of Dr. Erich Traub. Dr. Traub, a former Nazi scientist, was brought to the United States under Operation Paperclip, a secret program that recruited German scientists after World War II. Dr. Traub's research at the center primarily involved studying animal diseases. These included anthrax and foot and mouth disease. However, conjectures began to circulate, suggesting that the center was not just involved in studying diseases, but also in biological warfare research. Fast forward to the 70s, and Plum Island found itself at the center of a storm. The island was suspected to be the origin of the Lyme disease outbreak. The theory suggests that the disease was spread through ticks that somehow made their way from the island to Lyme, Connecticut. A glimpse at the map of the area shows the proximity of Plum Island to the Connecticut mainland and the towns of Lyme and Old Lyme. Despite the government's denial of such allegations, the speculation persisted, fueled by the veil of secrecy that seemed to envelop the island and its research center. In the early 21st century, the government decided to move the research center from Plum Island to a new location in Kansas. This decision further triggered a plethora of theories, each more intriguing than the last. One gnawing speculation is whether the research done on Plum Island included cross-species cloning, human-animal gene splicing, or the creation of animal chimeras. There has been considerable information, including photographs released recently on just such practices. One such undertaking was the splicing of goat milk with spider silk to create an ultra-strong Kevlar-like product. After only a few minutes, we made the underground journey from Connecticut to Plum Island. However, when we arrived at our destination and departed the train, we were met by a security specialist and taken to a vast control room. There, another security specialist informed us that we would not be going to the island's surface. We had fully expected this, as we knew that the facility had moved to Kansas. However, it was curious why a closed facility would have such an elaborate control room and security detail. With very little new information to disclose, we boarded our maglev train and continued our journey of discovery.